大家好. Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And today we're going to learn pronouns in Chinese. And when we say I, we use 我. And remember, the objective case and the nominative case are the same, meaning I and me are both 我, so they don't change case here. Like he or him, they are both 他. Like you or the objective form of you, they are all 你. So this is the first thing you need to notice and bear in mind. And if you want to change from I to we, simply just snap the suffix at the end. So you say from I, 我 to we, 我们. Okay. If you want to change you, single person, to more than one person, then you say 你 and change it to 你们. So we added this 们 as the suffix. All right. And for 他, he to they, again, you add 们, become 他们. All right. Now, there are three major types of pronouns. First type is called personal pronouns, like 我, I, you, 你, he, 他. And for we, there's another expression called 咱们. This means including the person with you, right? Who is listening to you. And remember, for he, she, it, we have the same pronunciation, which is 他, right? The same, but they are written differently. And let's take a look how to say I am an English teacher. 我是英语老师. So here, 我 is I. And 我 is the personal pronoun, right? Either you use it as a subject or object, it remains the same. 我, I. Okay, I will call you tomorrow. 我明天给你打电话. So here we have a personal pronoun 我 I, and 给你 你 is you, another pronoun. Next, he is a China Post employee. 他是中国邮政的员工. So here he, 他 is a personal pronoun. Next one, let's go to Bangkok together. 咱们一起去曼谷吧. This is an imperative sentence. Right? 咱们 means we, but here is more closer, especially when you use it with your friends. Right? 咱们 let us. Okay, you can also say 我们一起去曼谷吧. All right. So more than one person. Personal pronoun, the second type of pronouns are demonstrative pronouns, like 这, this, 那 meaning that, here meaning 这里, 这里, here. And when we use this to talk about a noun or an object, you need to add a meta word. So 这, the demonstrative pronoun plus meta word plus the object. Okay. For example, this grammar book is very good. 这本语法书很好. Right? So 这 is a pronoun. 语法书 grammar book is the object. So you need to add the meta word 本 to connect the pronoun and the object. Okay, and next one, how to say this movie is called The Shawshank Redemption, which is one of my favorite movies. 那个电影叫《肖申克的救赎》。个 is the matter word, so you use it to connect the demonstrative pronoun 那 that with the object movie. Okay, next one. How to say you cannot park here? 这里不能停车。So here, 这里 is a pronoun, like here is like a noun, right? 里 is like inside. Adding this 这, adding after the 这, you turn this into a noun, right? You cannot park here. The third type of pronouns, interrogative pronouns, such as 谁 who, 什么 what, 哪儿 which, or 哪 okay, which one, 怎么 how, 多少 how much, how many. Okay, so you can use it to ask people questions. Who is your good friend? 谁是你的朋友? Okay, so these interrogative pronouns usually replace the answer at the exact same location, right? Unlike English, the interrogative pronouns always go first at the beginning of the sentence, but in Chinese, it will be placed at the answer's location. Okay, for example, this one, who is your good friend? 谁是你的朋友? If you want to say Tracy is my good friend, then you replace this 谁. Tracy 是你的好朋友. Okay. All right, next one. What are you watching or reading? 你在看什么? Right. So 什么 is the interrogative pronoun. For example, if you want to say you are watching TV, 你在看电视. This shows that the pronoun replace the answer, right, at the same location. Which stock do you want to buy? 你想买哪只股票? So the pronoun and the object 股票, we need to use a matter word to connect them. So which stock? Okay, how do you write this character? 这个字怎么写? This is a topic and talk about structure, right? So you can say 怎么写这个字, like how to write this character. Use it as object, but here we can drag it to the front at the beginning of the sentence to make it a topic. And 怎么 is the like a manner, right? How to write. You put it before the verb 写. Right? If you want to say you use a pen to write, 这个字用钢笔写. Right? How much does this book cost? 这本书多少钱? Okay, 这本书. And 多少 is the interrogative pronoun again. And if you want to say this book is $10, $10 US, 这本书10美元. You see, that's exactly as the same location. That's it, everybody. We just learned the 3 types of pronoun. First category, personal pronouns. 我你他咱们 and the second category, demonstrative pronoun 这那这里 third type of pronouns, interrogative pronouns 谁什么哪怎么多少. All right, enjoy learning. See you next time. Bye.